Meaning of fruitful.
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 Fruitful. The word fruitful refers to something that is productive, successful, and yielding positive results. It implies that the effort put in has resulted in a meaningful outcome, and that the end result is worthwhile. A fruitful endeavor can be seen as one that contributes to personal growth, brings value to others, and helps achieve a set goal or objective. The term suggests that the result of the action taken has not only been successful, but also fulfilling, rewarding, and valuable in the long run. Overall, a fruitful outcome implies a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction.